China produces a huge portion of the world's goods, earning the title, the world's factory. But how did China become the center of global manufacturing? One major reason is China's massive workforce of over 1 billion people. For many years, labor costs in China were much lower than in Western countries. This encouraged global companies to move their manufacturing to China. China also invested heavily in roads, railways, ports, and industrial zones. Cities like Shenzhen became powerful manufacturing hubs. Another key advantage is China's efficient supply chain network. Factories can quickly get all the parts needed to produce products. This allows companies to manufacture products faster and cheaper. Government policies also helped attract foreign investment. Special economic zones offered tax benefits and business incentives. Over time, Chinese workers developed strong manufacturing skills. All systems are operational. Today, China can produce goods at an enormous scale. This scale helps keep production costs low for global brands. China also has one of the world's largest export networks. Products made in China reach markets across the globe. Some companies are now shifting factories to other countries. But China still dominates global manufacturing. That's why China is still known as the world's factory.
If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.